Don't know where this has come from. I do actually. McDonald's. They share chicken nuggets, and I ate the whole pack myself. But someone said I can eat 2 of them. Yeah. So we got Bird's Eye dippers, chicken dippers, 38. 38. I do not recommend you do this. This is a really bad idea. But there's no artificial colours, flavours, or preservatives, so you've got to eat them quickly. Yeah, 100 grams provides quite a lot of fat. 13 grams of fat. This isn't 100 grams. This is 697 grams. But to be fair, I'm not eating properly for days, so I probably need some input. So that's what 38 chicken dippers from Bird's Eye look like when they're cooked. What do they taste like? Alright. Very hot. May also contain egg. To be fair, there's only 1.7 grams of saturated fats, which isn't so bad. This pack contains 7 portions. How would the judge of that? It says 38 chicken dippers. It's got 2 asterisks next to it, which usually means yeah, 5%. No, 5 chicken dippers. That doesn't work, does it? Oh, average dippers per pack. Double asterisk. Serving suggestion. How many chicken dippers is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 12 chicken dippers there with a mini tomato and 4 slices of cucumber. So I'm pretty much eating exactly the same thing. I've got only without the lettuce and tomato. Cucumber tomato. And they also contain egg. And technically chicken is an egg, just a very old egg. That is a thing. Made with 100% chicken breast. But then it says the chicken breast is 50%, which is an argument I've always had. What it says is, why does it say made with 100% chicken breast if it's 50% chicken breast? Which is a very good question. Made with 100% chicken breast means we only use chicken breast meat in our range. The other 50% relates to the other taste ingredients, such as the coating. The water, the rapeseed oil, the breadcrumbs, the salt, the sunflower oil, palm oil. That's not good. Palm oil's bad. It's got two E numbers in as well, E450 and E500. But don't panic, they are the basic ingredients of baking powder, which is used to make the batter light and crispy. Which, to be fair, it is. I don't understand why it's got palm oil in it though. That's weird. Dip is formed from chopped marinated chicken breast, coated in a light batter, pre-fried. They say petrified. Also said on it as well that the package is non-recyclable. Which is disappointing. Anyway, how many have you had? I've no idea. You see that how? It's like a full chicken breast that's been bitten through. Yeah, when you bite into it, it's more like a paste. We can't actually see the chicken breast. Is that legal? Oh. Get the sweat on. Crikey. I don't necessarily think it's from the amount of chicken. I think it's just the fact it's boiling. Oh, to be fair, That one does look a bit like a piece of chicken. It's also very hot. Whenever I eat hot food, temperature wise that is, I end up with a runny nose. It's weird. But Mum does as well, but I don't know anyone else who does. Must be a family thing. I've got sweat rolling down my back now. What's the point? Where are these made? It says here on the back, our chicken dippers will always be made with 100% chicken breast, using just a few simple ingredients and nothing more. Now the few simple ingredients and nothing more is 50% of the thing. That means you're technically using some simple chicken and nothing more for the other bit, doesn't it? You get our finest chicken, tasty and tender, raised responsibly by farmers we know and trust. Yeah, but where are these farmers? Bird's Eye is a European company. As it says here, it's owned by Nomad Foods Europe Limited. There's no kite mark on here either. Not kite mark, tractor. What they are? Mum's net rated. To be fair, I'm bored of them now. Just on the back, UK LO 037EC. It doesn't say where they're manufactured. Struggling now. Definitely doesn't say where they're made. I live within 5 stones throw of the biggest food manufacturing site in Europe. Heinz of Wigan. Yeah, I think I've had enough. Yeah, that's it. One, two, three, four, five, six, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I'm not stopping on 13. Right then. It's 12 left. So I don't think I did bad. If there was 38, which I assume there was, I'd have had 26. So, yeah. One problem was they just get a bit... You kind of taste the batter more than you taste anything else, which is not the best. So, let's have a crispy one. Yeah, that's definitely it. 11 left. 27. So I failed. I'm sorry. On the bright side, Cat's going to be happy. So, until next time. See you again. Bye.